Children are very observant and they are very, very sensitive. हमें लगता है उनको कुछ बातें समझ नहीं आती हैं. Trust me, they probably understand and more about what we think that they don't understand. डांटना जरूरी है. Correct? We should scold children, we should draw lines for them. But how do we do it? We don't do it, definitely not by comparing them with something else, comparing them with our own self, blowing our trumpet saying how we were. Not a good example at all. We do it by being an example our own self. We need to exemplify हम किस तरह हमारे बच्चों को पालना चाहते हैं. हम जिस तरह रहेंगे, जिस तरह हमारे संस्कार रहेंगे, जिस तरह हमारी बोली रहेगी, जिस तरह हम चीज़ें करेंगे, जिस तरह हम चीज़ों पे रेस्पॉन्ड करते हैं, जिस तरह हम रिएक्ट करते हैं चीज़ों पर, यही चीज़ें तो बच्चे सीखते हैं. और यहीं पे तो कम्युनिकेशन ब्रेकडाउन होता है, क्योंकि वी बिहेव इन अ सर्टेन वे बट वी एक्सपेक्ट परहैप्स आवर चिल्ड्रन टू बिहेव इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट वे. There is definitely a gap over there. The other big thing that happens is we want to be the answer to all their questions. Please don't give them answers for everything. They don't need solutions from you all the time. Make them think, encourage them to ask, encourage them to explore. Give them that liberty, give them that space to think, give them that space to ask questions. Encourage them. That way you build their resilience, you build their character, you build an integrity in their environment. Let them find their own answers. उनके सवालों के जवाब उनके पास खुद है. उनके सवालों के जवाब मत बनिए. उनकी जिंदगी को एक पथ पर लाने की कोशिश हम करते हैं, उसको संवारते हैं, उनका एक चरित्र बनाते हैं, और फिर हम देखते हैं वो किस तरह हमारे संस्कारों को जो हमने सिखाया है उनको, उसे किस तरह निभाते हैं. Let's be a parent and a child at the same time. It's an incredibly wonderful journey. Don't miss out on it. Join it.